Yes, hello students, welcome for our chemistry class. This is from pre-chemistry, organic chemistry 1, dealing with nomenclature of alkanes, naming of alkanes. Now, yes, in our last lesson, we looked at how to name the alkanes. But today we want to do the opposite. We want to draw the structures based on the names that are given. So still we are dealing with naming, but deriving the structures from the names. Now, so the objective of our lesson is still the same, naming of alkanes and drawing of the structural formulae of the alkanes. The first thing that we are going to do here, we are supposed to draw the structure of 2-methylpentane. So we are told draw the structure of 2-methylpentane. 2-methylpentane. This is what we are supposed to draw. Now, the first step when doing this is to identify the longest continuous chain from the parent name. So from the parent name is pentane. Pentane indicates 5 carbon atoms. So in this case, our parent chain has 5 carbon atoms. That is the first thing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what we have. So that is our parent. Then the second step is to number the longest chain from the end of the chain such that the branches are near from the end that counting starts. If you start from this side, then those branches must be closer to that. You start from here, then the branch must be closer from that. So we number. Let us number. We can number from here or from the other side. So numbering will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are 5 carbon atoms. 5 carbon atoms. 5 carbon atoms. Now, after numbering, then we must identify the branch. The branch is a methyl group. So our branch here, our branch is a methyl group. How do we write methyl? Methyl is CH3. Then after that, we ensure each carbon has 4 bonds. This carbon here has 1 bond, 2, 3, 4. This one here has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 5th carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we determine the position of them, determine the position, comma, number, and the type of branches. So where do we get the branch? Methyl group is found at carbon number 2. So 1, 2. We have our methyl group. So this is H, 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 H. Everything now you slot in H. This is the structure that we have. Now, so we're naming it. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is pentane. The branch is a methyl, found at carbon number 2. We can also write this structure. We can also write the structure in condensed form, where we have the first carbon as 3 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3. The second carbon has 2 hydrogen. No, has 1 hydrogen. 1 hydrogen. But there is a CH3. CH3, methyl. The third carbon has 2 hydrogens. The fourth carbon has 2 hydrogens. The fifth carbon has 3 hydrogens. So this one is also acceptable. This one is also acceptable. That is our first example. That is our first. Second example. Let's look at our second example. Now, in our second example, we have 2 dimethyl pentane. Yes. So the first thing is the parent. The parent has 5 carbon atoms, pentane, 5 carbon. So we have the parent has 5 carbon atoms. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each carbon must have 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Then we number the carbon atoms. Number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we identify the branch. The branch is a methyl. But how many methyl groups do we have? We have 2 methyl groups. That is di. Di means 2. Both of them at carbon number 2. 2, 2. So 1 methyl. The first one is there. The second one is also. So that we have H, 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 H. So 2 dimethyl pentane, or the first carbon has 3 hydrogens. The second carbon has that. The third carbon has 2 hydrogens. The fourth carbon has 2 hydrogens. the third carbon has 3 hydrogens. One thing you notice is that the last and the first carbon atoms have 3 hydrogens each. This first and the last. They normally have 3 hydrogens. Or can be CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH2. How many CH2 do we have? 1, 2. So you can simply say times 2. Then CH3. So you can condense. This one is a condensed form, but all of them are formula of 2,2-dimethyl pentane. That one brings us to the end of the first segment. Let us meet in the second session to continue with our learning.